Okay, so here we are. This will be the final part of Module 2. We're going to talk about the lymphatic system and the immune system. So this is really the meat of everything, right? So if you haven't figured out yet, what we're talking about is your impact on your client's overall health when applying this protocol in conjunction with, their total health care plan. And that's really my focus here is we require a team to help these people. And you might be that person that can help them, but also refer them to the right people in your area to help them with their gut. I am not a functional nutritionist, although I study it all of the time, but I would refer people out to other practitioners to help them deal with this if they're not getting the help that they need from their primary doctors, which oftentimes they're just prescribed, all kinds of medications and such. So staying within our scope of practice, we're going to go ahead and we're going to look at how treating this system can affect the general system. So we know as massage therapists, PTs, OTs, acupuncturists, chiropractors, especially any practitioner, that anything that we do affects the entire system. Nothing works in isolation. Everything works in combination. That's my motto. But regardless of who you are, if you're putting your hands on a human or you're making any decisions about their health in any way, shape, or form, or contributing to their treatment plan, you are affecting their entire system. So this is kind of where I felt my education in manual lymphatic drainage was limited. And so that's why I decided to dive deep, do some independent research, and write this seminar for you, which has been a labor of love for the last, on and off over the past couple of years, but it finally came to fruition thanks to your involvement and request. See how leaky gut, poor diet, all sorts of chemicals and things that we consume in our food, how that would alert our immune system and impact inflammation. So the lymphatic vessels in the digestive system. So the intestines are abundantly supplied with lymphatic vessels responsible for draining excess fluid and transporting lymph. These vessels also facilitate the movement of lymphocytes, antigen-presenting cells, and other immune cells from the gut to a broader lymphatic system. So once these cells enter the system and, alert the cells, it needs to be transported through the system, through the lymph nodes, so that further action can take place. Okay, so you are helping the system navigate these cells into the right areas so the body can detect them and react and present with a immune plan. And in some people, this presents as a systemic inflammation. People who have fat disorders or lymphatic disorders, such as myself, this is a problem. They can retain a lot of fluid. Their lipedema, their lymphedema can get worse. So this is really important. Gut microbiome and immune regulation. So the gut microbiome, comprising a community of microorganisms residing in the digestive tract, influences the development and functioning of the immune system. The lymphatic system facilitates the transport of signals and molecules between the gut microbiome and the immune system, thereby contributing to immune regulation. So really important, okay? Huge. I have a lot of people that come to me after they've had infections, after they've had problems. A lot of post-COVID patients are coming to me with never had any intestinal problems or digestive issues until COVID. So I know that there's a link there. And so it's been very, very, very helpful to my clients. So here's the meat. Interconnection of the digestive and lymphatic systems in detoxification, the core principles behind systemic flow technique. So The digestive and lymphatic systems collaborate and uphold overall health and maintaining fluid balance within the body. The digestive system is responsible for breaking down food into vital nutrients, which are subsequently absorbed and distributed throughout the organism. Concurrently, the lymphatic system gathers excess fluid, cellular waste, and toxins, filtering them through lymph nodes before returning the purified fluid into the bloodstream. Together, these systems ensure the effective management of both nutrients and waste. As these processes unfold, the body engages in detoxification, the essential function for eliminating harmful substances. While the lymphatic system is crucial for the collection and transport of toxins, the primary site for detoxification is the liver. In the liver, waste products and toxins derived from the digestive system, blood, and lymphatic system undergo chemical transformations, preparing them for excretion. This seamless coordination between the digestive and lymphatic systems supports the body's natural detoxification process, ensuring efficient neutralization and removal of harmful substances. As we proceed, we'll delve into the mechanisms of detoxification, emphasizing the liver's pivotal role and the contributions of these systems in maintaining balance and health. It furthermore connects how, when we address the lymphatic system, we must connect the organs of digestion, including the supportive organs, in order to facilitate the best possible function of this system. This is the core of the systemic flow protocol. The role of the lymphatic system in detoxification. The lymphatic system is tasked with the transportation of waste products, toxins, and pathogens from various tissues throughout the body. It collects these substances from interstitial fluid and directs them to lymph nodes, where immune cells filter and neutralize harmful materials. Once filtered, the lymphatic system transports these waste products to the bloodstream for further processing, predominantly in the liver. So, the liver's role in detoxification. The liver serves as a body's central detoxification organ, processing toxins and waste through two main phases. Phase 1, transformation. This process neutralizes harmful substances such as drugs, alcohol, and environmental toxins, making them more manageable but not fully detoxified. So that's first. First, it's going to transform it into smaller molecules. Phase 2 is conjugation. So during this phase, the liver attaches water-soluble molecules such as glutathione, sulfate, or amino acids to the intermediate toxins produced in phase 1. This conjugation enhances the body's ability to eliminate these toxins via bile or urine. Final elimination. After processing by the liver, toxins are either excreted into the bile for elimination through the digestive system or transferred into the bloodstream for filtration by the kidneys. This final step ensures the efficient removal of waste products from the body. In summary, the lymphatic system plays a crucial role in transporting and filtering initial waste, while the liver performs the chemical detoxification necessary for safe elimination from the body. So this is twofold in our manual therapy. We're not treating the liver, but we are going to help facilitate the lymphatic flow through the liver and maybe improve the restrictions of the liver. Okay, so we're just supporting the liver's function in this protocol. So this will be the end of this video. We're going to move on to the next module, which should say module 3, not module 4, which is the nervous system of the digestive organs. And that will conclude, after the nervous system, that will conclude part 1. And then you're ready for part 2.